What do you get when three of Magic's most innovative creators put their heads together? Tiny Plunger.
And people just love this. The cuteness factor is there, gets their attention, draws them in.
This unsuspecting little prop is the feature of an amazing trick. The small plunger clings to a thought-of number of cards, finds a selection, and lots more.
He will just pick up the cards he needs to count to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
With this DVD, you get 2 great routines from John Armstrong and Matthew Beach. Plus, Garrett Thomas leads a session where they brainstorm even more great routine ideas.
And then also the fact that the principle itself, as opposed to using it as an effect, you use it as a method. Cool.
Tiny Plunger is that rare prop that is at once funny, amazing, and memorable.
Read your mind and remove the card. Concentrate. He has done so. Please whisper the name of your card to the Tiny Plunger. Because of that, he'll be able to do this. And go right to it.
Best of all, the routine is within the range of the beginner. So take the plunge and perform Tiny Plunger.